Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can sign up for a Walmart account. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, department stores and grocery stores from United States. It is a leading corporation in sustainability and employment opportunity as well. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and search in for a walmart.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Walmart. Here you can see the option of sign in account on top right side of your screen. You go to it. As we are going to create a new account, you need to click on create an account. Here for the enrollment in the Walmart, you have to provide the following details. At first, you go in for providing your first name. Then you go in for providing your last name. Then you go in for providing your email address. Now then you need to create a strong password. Here, after you provide all the details, you scroll to the little down. Then you need to click on create account. And with that, you have created an account in Walmart for yourself. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create a Walmart account. Thank you.